Hello, Vishu. Hi.
Hey Richa, hi. How are
Good
you?
afternoon. I'm good by God's
Yeah,
grace. Thank you
namaste.
so
Good
much for
afternoon.
me.
How are you doing, Richa? It's good to see you here.
That's really great. Yeah, I'm also good. And I'm really happy to see you here once again with
Thank you
us.
for
And
inviting me on this platform again.
no,
Uh,
actually, you're also giving to us your precious time to us. So it is really, really amazing for us. And we also can learn new things by you.
Yeah, that is.
So, Vishu, actually, once again, you're the most welcome at this platform. Awesome
Yes.
Blossom English.
Thank you so much.
So, guys, you just see, actually, you already had met to Mr. Vishu, and he is really amazing personality. Why I'm saying like this? Because everyone had, panic life. Everyone has situations, critical situations, but it's up to you how to deal with that things, how to deal with the real situations with real real things. Like suppose you were facing any kind of things and you were really enjoying your expensive life, but still like before sometimes I can say before some years actually he was not able to enjoying the life. Everyone wants in 21 or 20 year of age, everyone wants enjoy the life, especially that person has really really high status and expensive life and really very good dresses, brand things, but still and after of the business, so it's really very hard to deal with all things, not only and only lifestyles, with the living of standards, with the community, with friends, with relatives as well. But he is one of the guy I can say actually he's a iconic personality. He is a actually real example for everyone, because when he faced this critical area, so that time actually he also like he got how to deal these things, he got how to balance mindset with a beautiful bright future. So Vishuji, once again you are the most welcome, and
Yeah,
please
thank you for
introduce
this.
yourself.
Yeah, hey guys. Actually, I have been this on this platform once again, and actually earlier I was here to just talk about my life journey a little bit, and there Ms. Richa has invited me, and this is very great to be here actually with you guys, and I must thank you guys to watch this video. You guys are supporting Richa and this channel, which is really appreciable. And actually, Richa is really doing a lot of efforts to motivate people and to share the experiences, and especially if you talk about the things which everyone should know about the life. Richa is trying to share here and at this platform by the help of YouTube. So it is good to see, and it is nice to be here. And thank you, Richa, for inviting me again at
No,
this
sir.
platform.
Once again, I
So
really so much thank you, and I'm really glad to see you here. Once again, you just giving me your precious time. Seriously, it is really, really amazing for us. I have to say to you, thanks. You have no need to say thanks to us, to me. No, it's really, really amazing that I also can give the messages, really, very beautiful messages by you. So,
yeah,
Vishuji, actually, I'm really very exciting to know that you told to us in the first podcast that you are the manager. You are manager in Biojuice education platform. So actually, I'm really
yes,
so much exciting. That question is that when did you start your journey? Like
yeah, actually,
before in a college time that you are like pursuing studies in that different field, and you are like I think you are pursuing engineering, but you
yeah,
are manager into the biojuice. So miss, like how to realize your passion, your aim.
yeah, exactly. I got your point, ma'am. And I would like to share this. Of course, I'm so happy to share this among these so kind people. So first of all, I would say that when I went through the loss and when I went through the setback after my business, when the business went, when my business get shut at the, I think that was 2020, and then I started struggling, right? So before that, the life was good. Everything has sorted on that time. But now, after my loss in business, I was just struggling, and I was in very loss of money, and everything was going very worst. But still, somehow I managed myself, and there was only thing actually as my working is concerned, I would say that yeah, Byju's is something which I found helpful in my career. Like I was struggling very badly, and there was nothing. I was not having any option on that time. I have done my BTech in computer science engineering, and then after I ran my business, and for 4 long years I ran my business, and then after I went through a very big loss, and on that time I was not having any option. So Byju's was that option which I found on that time. Actually, I applied into uh, multiple companies on that time, but when I came into Byju's, it felt like yeah, this is something which is really helping people. And where if we talk about the work culture, there are a lot of rumors about it, because you know rumors are just because the people who are not doing well in this and who are not capable of doing this kind of job, they are spreading out rumors about this company. But still, I would like to say, actually, I am working here as in BDA, and all knows that BDA profile is very hectic and pressure wala job. All these things are there. But I would say yes, if you are, if you have talent, and if you have capability to, get good sales, you have capability to convince people around, and you have to capability to deal with them, with the parents, then you can get a lot of opportunity, a lot of incentives, a lot of good thing in the Byju's and in this field. So especially if we talk about this platform, I would say this is something which is really not just a platform to earn something, earn money. This is something where you are to, where you are going to the market to help people, help children. I will try to tell you something, tell you about this in a short. I will not take a lot more time for that. So yeah, so why this is helpful, I would make you clear. So nowadays, the childrens are so much addicted with the phone, with the technologies, right? When we guys were studying, there was nothing like that. So we were going to the school, we were usually studying very, usual things, like we were studying with the books, and we were usually writing on the copy notebooks and all. But now the things have been changed, right? There are videos, there are technologies here to, to support children to make their preparation in a better way. So Byju's is something who bring this kind of thing at a very big level, and I am just grateful for the Byju's CEO, Byju's Ravichandran, who started this in 2014, and now he has at a very good level, and the Byju's company is the fastest growing company, edtech company, around 40 and 50 cities, 50 countries around the world. So obviously the delivery and the material they are providing are quite matchless. They are picking up right teachers for the right subject. They are picking up best teachers. And when we talk about the sales part, right, whatever we do there is like people have rumors that they are just selling, and they are just there to sell out. But what I feel when I go to the market and when I go to the field and meet people, I say that this is something which you cannot get into the schools, right? Because they have a lot of process by which they pick teachers for the students, they pick tutors for the students, they made materials, like their interface is good, the content they are providing is matchless. They are providing a very prepared content, and a content which is going to help children. And they are using different kind of things, like animated videos, like cartoons. They have collaborated with the Disney channel, which is the world's best cartoon making channel, and Byju's has collaborated with this. So, and we all know that children at the all the children are very they relates to the cartoons, especially when it comes to cartoon, they feel happy about it, right? So that thing, when you can put the academic things, when you will put the studies in the cartoon, that makes the your study very easy, right? And that is the same thing Byju's is doing here, and other edtech companies as well doing. But still, Byju's has expanded very expanded his business in a very well manner, and they are providing good solutions for the problems of the students, which is really grateful. And I will say, if someone is fighting, and if someone is struggling with the and not getting job, so this platform is really going to help them. Because yeah, if you will see from other there are very different perspective where, which by which you can judge this profile. Because if you want to earn money, you can come here. If you want to help someone, if you want to help children, you can come here. If you want to help out parents, you can come here. Because there are a lot of things which you can do for the society as well. Because you know you can help the children with their academics, with their study materials. So this is something where you are selling out the products, and you are helping people as well, right? So at the same time, you are doing both of the things, which is really appreciable. And I must say that, and with the parents, whichever parents are watching it, don't think that you can get these kind of things somewhere else. Byju's is the only platform, I would say, that where you can get the things in a right way. And
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
and the
absolutely.
yeah, and the second thing I would say is, like, whether the future of children are concerned, the future competition is concerned, it is going to be very tough. When we were studying, there was no competition like that, and the children were so genuine. But nowadays the children are so, the third standard student is solving the 10th standard questions of mathematics. So it is happening because of their practice, because of their efforts they are putting into the right way. And there are a lot of students who are being distracted with the studies, who are being going to the wrong direction as well. But so that is why they need a right and proper direction towards the academics and towards their goal. Actually, they were not aware, and their parents are quite busy nowadays. Every parent is busy. They don't have time to give their children and proper direction and right way to and right track to go on. So Byju's and I think they need some tutors, which which can guide them. So there you can that you cannot get into the school. School has teachers, yeah, that is okay. School has classes, yeah, I'm not denying that they are not teaching students. They are doing well, actually, at their level. But I would say, when it comes to the personalized learning, we can say, by that is called one by one. Like, the interaction between the teacher and the student is very rare. The interaction between the teacher and the parent is very rare in school, we can see. Because every you can see that how many times a school teacher met with with the parents. I think once in a while, once in a year, or twice in a year. That's it. But by these kind of platform, you can judge your children's performance. You can get to know about how which kind of things your children and your child is watching, and where he is spending his time. You can track everything there. So, and by the parent app, and there are a lot of things which the platforms are providing. So I would say that, yeah, there is a lot of things, a lot of positive things which is providing, which these kind of platforms are providing, and which should be which our children should adopt, right? Yeah.
Okay. So we also can say that Byju's gives not only and only online platform. Actually, Byju's gives to the students really very good educations and good environment and good relations between teachers and students. It is a really really important things if teachers not comfort like not adjustable with the students, and same here. On another hand, we will think about the students. So of course students also feeling so much enthusiasm to learn any things just because of the teachers teaching style.
Yeah,
Teachers
exactly.
give the
Second thing, Richa, I'm sorry for the interruption, but I would like to
no,
say
no,
here,
just
because
continue please.
I would add here that when it comes to the video, why there, the difference between the normal learning and the learning with the video is quite different. Actually, videos are something which remains in your memory for a long run. And when you can relate to yourself as well, because we all have studied sometime. So when we watch any web series and anything on TV, or on our phone, or on in theaters, so we have that in memory for a long run. The dialogues, everything, the movements we have in the memory. So the retention power is quite good in compare with when we are studying, when we are reading something on book. So it comes in our mind, I'm not denying, but it went and it goes for a very short run, right? So that is the difference. And the second thing, when we talk about the 3D things which schools are not providing. Actually, 3D things means they are providing 3D videos where you can see, the movement, like the breaking of the things, like you can really practically observe it, what is happening, right? So 3D is the real presentation, and a very practical presentation of the things, which clear your concept. And the second thing is, which is apart from these features, I would say, there the this platform changes the approach of solving the solve questions. Like, any student can be more smarter by using these kind of technologies, right? It doesn't matter. Actually, students are studying, they are getting marks, but they are not having the knowledge for a long run in their mind. So by the help of these platforms and Byju's, they can have it in their self. So this is really helpful for the children and the parents as well for their academics. And if they are uh, thinking of for a long run, then this is really helpful, I would say.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So could I ask you one question, Vishwati?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, after listening you, I also can I also can say surely that biojuice actually by biojuice, if that students are not learning and they are also taking a classes by academy, so definitely I would suggest to everyone, please just try to only and only give, I just try to take only one chance to learn by the biojuice, and definitely after that you also can define what is the value of biojuice, what is the value of the education which are studying virtually and which are studying by biojuice. It's
Yeah,
not
exactly.
mean that you can learn easily only and only with with I can say it's not mean that we also can learn only for few days, because actually after listening to you I also had realized one thing, that we also had completed studies first to 12th.
Yeah.
But what happened that we had completed ninth and now I'm in 10th standard. I just give you example. Now I'm in 10th standard. So what happened with the students? Students are blank. And if you will ask any questions relate to ninth standard, and it is really very hardly
Fully
to
forget things, right?
exactly. It is really very hardly to get the answer. If that students also doing, same concept. Suppose I just give you example that students also doing into the mathematics subject, and he also doing of the fraction of concept. So of course, definitely he or she is able to reply about the ninth of students about the fractions. But it is really very hard if we are like suppose we are now we are enjoying holiday and holidays 2 months, and after 2 months if you will ask any questions relate 8th standard relate 7th or 6th, they are not able to reply
Feel
just
blank.
because of exactly
Yeah.
because of yeah because of value of the by the screen and by the you can say online or video. So it is very very pinch at like directly pinch in the mindset. So that thing is really really long term period
There are
we also can learn
uh,
for.
there are things which actually there are multiple students in present here, because cannot say that every student faces these kind of things, but almost, there are 60 or 70% of the students who are being distracted with the phones, with the technologies, who are not going with the academic things. They are just going to get the marks, to get their passing marks, I would say. So they are going to the school and they are just getting passing marks, and I must say that it cannot help them when they will go to the higher studies. They will be like, what happened with them? Actually, they will feel like no ways further, right? So they should be very serious about their studies, and for that there are something like when where you can have your fun as well and study. So Byju's is something, and these platform are some providing the we can say the learning concept which makes fun and study along at the same time.
Exactly.
So this is very good about the edtech companies. Yeah,
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. So actually, we should actually right now I'm just listening a Shaktiman. Do you know about Shaktiman serial?
yeah,
Shaktiman serial.
yes, yes, yes.
So why I'm reflecting this serial because when I just saw this serial when I was a little kid and I just saw this serial and I was really inspired. But yeah, by this serial was so much, really so much influence on this serial. Now I also will become a Shaktiman because they are really very inspired to see Shaktiman on the video. Because before that and right now we also reading a lot of books, but that books not in the mind. Just because of these we also can realize this is actually real example by the video as a Shaktiman. I'm saying right or wrong?
Yeah, exactly. As I have said earlier, that if we are watching something, watching web series and all, so we keep that in our mind for a long run, and videos are there to help us to, to retain it for a long run. And but when we are studying and when we are reading a book very thoroughly, it is not going to be in our mind for a long run. And this is very usual, and this is very normal thing which happens with everyone. There are very few who can handle and who can retain the things in a single shot of reading a book.
And we should can I ask you one questions? Actually I own questions relate these things. Can I ask you questions?
Yes, sure. Yes, sure.
Question is that actually like it is really very easy when we also taking class in the schools or by the academy. So we also can solve the problem if we have any query. So of course we also can discuss with the teacher. But how to discuss by the Byju's, because we
Yeah,
are on the online platform. Yeah.
this is a very important question and good question, I would say. So yeah, there when you will enroll with the Byju's, you will be allotted a mentor for your child, right? So who will be there and all the time if your child is getting any query, there is a student portal as well. So there he can also put his queries and his problems, and if there he's not getting the solution or he wants to interact with the tutor directly, live interaction like we are having the interaction. So if the student wants to interact with the tutor and to the mentor directly, so he can book the class and he can get the interaction and he can sort that their problem out in that session. And usually it
Okay.
happens between 9 a.m to 10 p.m, I think. So it is very easy way, and students can have any doubt solving program there, right, in that session with the tutor. So tutors are there to help children personally and particularly with the subjects. So which is really helpful that they don't get into schools, which is quite different from the school's pattern and really helpful for the childrens.
Wow, that's really cool. I can say about the Byju's. Byju's is the one of the one of the path that Byju's also can connect with the teachers, with parents, with the students, and as well as if we will talk about you. So for of course, Byju's also gives you a lot of opportunity that if you want to do any kind of work with the Byju's, so definitely I will recommend it to everyone. Just go and don't be think. And if you will think that you have to do hard work, so without any hard work, you cannot do any kind of thing. If you will think that I will have no need to do hard work, so definitely you cannot do any field. You just go anywhere. You just try to think in any field. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. Actually, it is not possible. But everything is possible. I am possible. How? But when you just think that I have to do, not I have to think. I have to do. So I can say parents also can be free after the educations, actually, because nowadays husband and wife means, if we will think about the mom, so mom also so much. Nowadays every mama is like some is a master chef, so someone is a teacher, so miss she is really very busy. I'm not saying that she is not busy, actually she also busy, but she also cannot give the environment like as a platform of the biologists. If we will think about the teachers, really really amazing. You also can discuss anything. See, whatever you have, any problem, any query, you can discuss with the wages. You also can apply, and of course your problem will be shut down within few seconds. And
Yeah, exactly.
if we will talk about the colleagues, so definitely they are also so much really grateful that they also getting opportunity with the biojuice. I cannot say that biojuice for like biojuice is a great things, but we are really very great because we are connected with the biojuice. We are really actually glad because we are doing something is something is great for the students, because we are able to show the path that what you have to do, how to tackle these things. And it is really necessary in the future that if we will not do, like if we will not concern on the online educations, and it's not actually by just give you, I can say it is not a harmful for the eyes, because Byju's gives you 3D platform, and that by that things you also cannot say, and you also cannot give the any kind of excuses, and you pretend that your children's or you are facing any kind of eyes problem, because there is a 3D facilities. So Vishuji, you want to say something, and if you want to ask me, of course you can ask me. Rishiji, do you wanna say something? Do you wanna ask me? If you want to ask
Yeah,
me, of course you can ask me.
yeah. Am I audible?
Of course, you are audible, sir.
All right. Okay. So yeah, actually, Richa, I would say that you can also apply here if you want to get into this. Actually, I see your personality, and I think that you can do much better in this field as well. So you should go for
Oh,
it, and I personally recommend you this job. So if you and anyone who is searching for any better job, and this profile is really paying good enough, and obviously the profile is just to dealing with the parents and convincing them to get the product, and obviously these kind of products are going to help them out with the academics and the educations. So these things,
okay.
and I would suggest everyone to do the things and to do apply here. Right. All right. So Richa, you can also apply here.
That he also gave me a really very beautiful message to me, and that message relate my career. So actually he also suggested to me that I also can apply there. So definitely I will try to apply. I will try to apply. I don't know what will happen, but yeah, if we will not try, so definitely we cannot say that we did try, but at least once give the chance to myself. So definitely now I'm going to apply this form, this things, and definitely what happened I don't know. And I don't know, I'm really so much exciting to submit this applications, my resume in this company, and I'm really very inspired towards biojuice, because I also want to do many things for the students. I want to show a really very right path to the students. And of course, if you are learning, it's not matter, but that learning, that learning is, if you have forever, that is really really amazing. And like, I also can learn many things by Vishu sir, just because of just because of, like, why I'm saying like this, oh my god, just because of this, that we are able to be a self independent. We also give the really very good environment to the children's, as well as we also can get a really very diamond opportunity by the byju's. And parents should feel, should feel proud that now our children's doing really very well. So for the things, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. And definitely, so if you're really very excited what will happen with me, and I am able to select or not, it's not matter. But if I will be selected by the biologists, definitely I will share with you. And if I'm not able, it's okay, I am just chill. Just because of that things, I believe on my karma, which Vishu sir told already told to us. Just try to be, just try to become a doer. Just try to do hard work. Just try to do karma. And how, just try to believe on yourself first, and after that you can do everything whatever you want, and everything you can achieve by your hard work. And after that, you also can be a smarter like as me. So for the things, bye and have a great good day. And you also can think like me to submit the application into the biojuice. And if you want to know about these things, definitely I will tell you all things. But firstly, I have to discuss with Vishu sir, but right now he's not able to interact with me on the call, on the online. I think I'm facing network issues, maybe I can say. So for the things, we will have to wait for my result. So bye.